Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news, we have the PC shipments in the first quarter of 2023. So how does the PC market hold? Of course, we had a really high peak of PC sales in 2020, 2021 due to the pandemic. People needed a PC to work from home and do Zoom meetings and so on. And since then, the decline has been quite steep. And, it's continuing. The market plunged 29% to compared to last year. And the drop is 56.9 million units that were shipped in the first quarter of 2023, which, by the way, is still not that bad of a number. The biggest drop is really in the Apple side. Apple is hurt bad by the steep decline. It seems that the M1 chips have boosted PC sales for a couple of years, but for a year and a half. But now, as the Windows PC sales went down 29%, the Apple computers drop is 40.5% drop. That is amazingly a big drop. So Apple is hit hard by the fact that people just don't need another computer right now. So it's interesting to see all of this happening right now. But there's probably good news coming out of this. It seems that although the PC sales have declined quite a lot, the IDC and Canalys both agree that by 2024, there'll be probably an uptick in PC sales. And they say one of the reasons is that by 2024, the installed base of PCs will start to get quite old. And there should be part of the people that are going to want to do a refresh of their PCs. So this is going to come as we go to 2024, according to their own statistics. So this is going to be interesting to see how, what decline we'll have and how low will we reach. But still, these numbers are higher than the lowest numbers we've seen before the pandemic. So it's still, it's a drop. It's a steep drop, but it's a drop that is not too bad, actually. So this is kind of interesting to see that PC sales are probably going to level off. They think by the end of the year, actually, they're going to level off. So this is going to be interesting. The top PC maker, Lenovo, and followed by HP. And number 3 is Apple. So this is interesting to see these numbers and to see how the demand will be for new PCs. And of course, if we do have an uptick in sales of PCs with Windows, what that will mean is that we'll have a uptick in Windows 11, possibly. So this is going to be interesting to watch for the rest of the year and for, of course, 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.